Today I will give you a brief introduction to the Mamiya 6 system. The Mamiya 6 is a medium format film camera, rangefinder focusing with interchangeable lenses. The lenses actually retract into the body with a cone on the front. You can also shoot 645 with the Mamiya 6 MF, but not with the previous ones. Lens selection is a 50mm, a 75mm, and a 150mm, and they're all manual focus. The Mamiya 6 is an electronic camera, so needs batteries to operate, and has aperture priority or aperture priority lock, which is very comfortable for shooting without a handheld meter. It also has manual shutter speeds with a built-in light meter that shows inside the viewfinder, and also has plus-minus compensation for using aperture priority. It's a great small rangefinder system that is modern and extremely sharp and nice. So the Mamiya 6 system, Nuno, medium format rangefinder camera. Who do you think is looking for a system like this one?
I think it's kind of for everyone, or someone who enjoys a compact medium format camera with a nice image quality. This pretty much does the same thing as a Hasselblad. It has a central leaf shutter here, interchangeable lenses, compact. Of course, with the Mamiya lenses, the image quality is superb. So
yeah,
I think this is for someone on the pro side or very serious hobbyist.
Yeah, one of the things that is nice is if you're actually looking for a rangefinder 6x6, which is what this shoots, there's also a 645 option with a Mamiya 6 MF. But if you're looking for a rangefinder 6x6, this is probably one of the only ones that's only 6x6. We have the Fuji that did 6.7 and 6.6, but it's actually really nice. There's only 3 lenses in the system, which makes it easy for the gas attack. You can't buy too much. The 50mm is extremely sharp, and then you have a 75, which is a normal, and 150 just in case you want to get a little closer up. And well, this obviously is not adaptable to digital as camera lenses. I don't see any adapters.
Probably, but this aperture is controlled by
electronics,
so I don't think there's a point in that.
Yeah.
And of course, I want to mention the internal light meter that this has, and it's a pretty good.
Yeah, you have aperture priority, and you actually have aperture priority lock, which to me is my favorite way to shoot. You kind of like point at where you want to expose, then recompose and shoot, so you don't have to be walking around with a light meter, external light meter, or anything like that. You can very much rely on this camera doing a great job at metering. Then availability. These are becoming rare to see more and more.
Yeah, I think the demand is quite high at the moment. So, but then again, this was a mass-produced camera, but not in in terms of AE1 or stuff like that. This was an expensive camera even back then. So
yeah, this is probably one of those cameras that people want, like the Mamiya 7, but it's not so looked out. So it still is slightly on the cheaper side of the Mamiya 7, which has become a very hyped and looked for camera. So price-wise, I mean, there's not many cameras in this category, like I said.
I think, like you said, this was not many peers to that camera, but for someone who is looking for a 6x6 rangefinder, somewhat modern, compact, this is the all-in-one.
Also, don't forget that there was the original Mamiya 6, which is a folder camera, and you should take that into account just when you're searching. And yeah, if you want to check out this equipment, you can go to Kamerastore.com and check Mamiya 6 equipment anytime. Let us know in the comments, is this something you're looking for, or you rather shoot 6x7 aspect ratio or something different like the Texas Leica?
Yeah.
So yeah, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.